Hi, my name is Richard, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about DentaSmile Pro before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about DentaSmile Pro supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is DentaSmile Pro and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. DentaSmile Pro is a dietary supplement designed to improve oral health by addressing gum sensitivity, plaque buildup, and bad breath. Unlike traditional oral care products that only target external cleaning, DentaSmile Pro works internally to support healthier gums and teeth through its blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. This 8-in-1 formula is tailored to promote long-term dental wellness by strengthening oral tissues and balancing bacteria in the mouth. The product is vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO, making it suitable for various dietary needs. This supplement provides holistic oral care, improving gum health, reducing inflammation, and supporting fresh breath. By targeting the root causes of oral health issues, DentaSmile Pro offers a lasting solution beyond conventional brushing and flossing. Its effectiveness is backed by numerous positive DentaSmile Pro reviews, which highlight its transformative impact on oral hygiene. Thousands of people have already had incredible results with DentaSmile Pro. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with DentaSmile Pro and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use DentaSmile Pro 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.